What's up everyone? Welcome back to One Strange Adventure. Welcome to the next video. In today's video, we are going to be testing out a new product and we cannot wait to show you guys. Alright, we've been on the road for 4 years now and we have been using our Berkey exclusively for our drinking water, even for the dogs. And in all honesty, we've become a little bit of a water snob because of the Berkey. The Berkey is so good, it's done so well. It was expensive depending on what size Berkey you get, but today we are testing out a brand new water system that's supposed to rival or even be better than the Berkey. That is the GoBlu Tech Elite water system. Now before we get started, I do want to say a quick thank you to TechnoRV for sending us this kit so that we can test it out for them and give you guys our honest feedback on it. Now this is the AR3 Elite bundle. That means it comes with a 3-stage filtration system, a water softener, it has the water pressure regulator, it has stainless steel braided hoses. Like, this is the complete kit and this thing is sweet. So in today's video what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it. We're going to tell you a little bit about the products itself and then we're going to install it for the first time. Okay, so what we have here is the GoBluTech system. This is the Elite bundle. So you got your water softener, then you got the rest of the kit right here. Today we're going to be unboxing this and then installing it for the first time. And I'm sorry about having the sunglasses on, but the sun is right on me. So let's unbox this thing for the first time. All right, now this is a kit that they used at the Hershey RV show. So it's not boxed exactly the way you would see it, but it does have all the components and we're going to share that with you. All right, here we go. So we have one of our stainless steel connectors. So what you'll notice with this kit is that everything is stainless steel. It is such good quality. So we have one of our connectors here. The next thing we have that we're going to open here is one of the hoses. So this is a short hose that goes from the filters into the RV itself. So this is like I believe this is like a 3-foot or 5-foot hose. Next, we have another hose. So this is what will connect between the filters and the water softener. So, I mean, just great quality, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about it molding or anything like that. Then we have yet another hose, and this is a 25-foot braided line. And this is what goes from your spigot to your filter system. So that is awesome. So all in all, you got 3 hoses that comes with this kit, all braided. Looks really nice. Then we have our filters. And this is really cool because it's a 3-stage filter. So you first have your longevity. It's going to take out a lot of the stuff. Then you had your off-grid, so sediment and stuff like that. And then you got your tasty filter, which is what's supposed to make this water taste so good when it comes out of this filtration system. So let's set this right over here. All right. We've got a 90-degree stainless steel quick connect. Then we have what goes at the spigot, and this is a 3-way water hose splitter, so that you can use another hose on it and not have to. Here's your quick connect for that, and we still have another box to go. And yes, it comes with a pressure regulator. This kit does. So we have a brand new adjustable pressure regulator, which is pretty cool. And that's it for this big box. Then he also wanted us to test out this. So this is actually an add-on, and this monitors how much water is actually flowing through the system. So you can always see what you're using. So you can really get a feel for how much water you're actually consuming. All right, the next thing we have here is the water softener. So let's take that out. So there's your water softener, which is going to be awesome because we have encountered some hard water, You get the white crusty around your shower head and stuff like that. That's supposed to eliminate that. And another quick connect. I love that it comes with all the components that you need to actually connect the stuff and not have to screw everything together. Look at that. That is amazing. All right, recap. We got our filters. The water hose or the spigot goes into the filters. The filters go to your water softener, then your softener goes to your RV. We have our regulator. We have our water meter. We have a bunch of connectors. We have our water hoses. I think we're ready to set this up. Got my box full of stuff here. We're going to all right, I think we're ready. All right, I guess the first thing we need to do is go cut the water off and take the old one out. So this is my previous one. I just had a little splitter with a adjustable pressure regulator. I mean, and this one's good. It just, you know, it doesn't match, but it's good. And I love this water hose. For its flexibility. What I don't love is that it gets knotted up and kinks. They're not supposed to kink, but they do. All right. That's the old stuff. Now that I've got this all mapped out, because there's a lot of connectors. I'm going to start with this 90 right here, and a quick connect on the 90. And we're going to install that in my water system. That way I never have to take this off. I can just connect the hose right to it. So that's gonna go right here. All right, so now I got that right here in the 90 pointing down, and the water hose will come right up in it. So this is one of my braided hoses. It's the shorter one. So this will just run up through the bottom here and connect right in. So now I don't have to worry about anything else. Now it is kind of high off the ground right now, so I'm glad we have this. This will go to my water softener. All right, so next connect is my water softener. That's gonna go right here. Makes it nice and easy. Next thing will be these filters, and there are arrows on top of them that shows you which way the water should flow. So it's going to flow in from this side, go through these filters, and then out this side. The Tasty should be the last one. That makes it really quick. Okay, well, I'm going to put my water meter right here on my filters. Then I'm going to connect my hose to it. I love that these hoses can't get messed up. Now what I'm going to do is connect this right here. And then I'm going to take the hose to the spigot and start connecting all the stuff. All right, first thing I'm going to have in the line is this pressure regulator, just because if I use any other hoses that don't go through the filtration system, I still want it to be regulated so it doesn't bust my hose. So I'm going to put that on first. Then I'm going to connect this. There we go. Seems like a pretty robust system. Off, off, off. You have to turn the pressure up a little bit. Sitting right at like 35 right now. I want it up a little bit higher than that. Oh, this is really cool. These actually move on the ends. So check that out. I'm gonna go get the water hose. There we go. All done. Starts back there at the kit, or at the spigot, goes through the pressure regulator into the splitter, follows that hose right here into the meter, and then you got your 3-phase filtration. Then that goes into your water softener, and then your water softener goes into your RV. Now I'm actually going to be taking this one out because I don't need this anymore. I just haven't done it yet, but you want to give it its best shot. So they do say, they do sell this kit where you can actually like bleach your lines, and that helps give it its best shot at giving you a really good taste of water. All right, well, we got it connected. There's no leaks. Go inside and test it, see how it's doing. We need to actually clean the water lines and everything before we do the taste test. We'll give it a true taste test. We also need to get this filter out of here because this thing's been in here since the rig. Not the filter itself, but that canister, and that canister is disgusting inside. So I'm actually going to take that out of the line and just connect those two lines, so it's not going through another filter. It just have the filters out here with the GoBlu Tech. Yeah, so hooked up out here. We're going to go inside and test and see, make sure we have good water pressure. That's another thing. Even going through all of this, it supposedly has really good water pressure. So the good news is we still got good water pressure.